them.
Hartman adventures at them, man. Guess what? I give thanks. Fish on, guys. In a big. In a big. Go down the field. On permit. Eh. Yeah, man. Me not feel the vibes. Nice little one, my boy. Oh, 5-4. Nice one. I know I'm here to bite, you know.
Yeah, I'm here too.
Yeah. Can't work, see me, man. I just threw my name and tie you over.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yo, we gotta get minutes.
At that dinner. Dinner, my boy. Relax, 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 relax. Not too big, but nice size. Runs him off so you guys can see him. See him there, guys. See him there. Nice little one. Hey guys, I did cook up this fish the following day, which was a Sunday. I did grilled fish with some stuffed rosemary and green thyme with garlic and butter. I also did some pineapple and shrimp skewers. However, when I was transferring the files from that day, I'm not sure what happened and I lost a lot of the footage, basically all of the footage of when I was preparing and finishing up all of the cooking and stuff like that. So apologies for that. This is all the files I have left, so I'm just adding them in. So hope you guys enjoy it.
Still got hold on me. Even without you here. Still got hold on me. Even without you here.
Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.